Hey, welcome back. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating, updating, checking the status, and deleting a CloudFormation stack using AWS CLI. So let's get started. After you are done with installing and configuring AWS CLI with your AWS account credentials, we can get started from there. To create a new stack, open your terminal or command prompt, a folder containing any CloudFormation template file, such as this one. To create a stack, what you'll do is use this command called AWS CloudFormation create stack hyphen stack hyphen name, then whatever stack name you want to give it. After that, hyphen template file and the name of your template file with its extension. You could either use YAML or JSON for this. Navigate to the accurate folder and there we could do this. You could either use template file or template body. With template body, you will need file tag. You will have to use file as well. So there are two ways to do it, either with file body or file, depending on what version you are using. So we'll use the second one for the latest AWS CLI, and this will give us stack ID of whatever stack has been created. And we could go to our AWS stack and reload, and here you can see create in process, and you could see it's complete. Now let's see how to update stack. First, make the necessary changes to your CloudFormation template. Then use the update stack command to update the stack. So what we'll do is again, we'll change the name of the bucket and then use the same file with file tag and update. So this returns the same stack ID again. And as we could see, update in process. This should take a while and we can see the events. Update complete. Similar to stack creation, you can monitor the status of stack update using the describe stacks command. What you can do is AWS CloudFormation describe stacks, then stack name, and here it goes. So you'll get all the details right in your terminal without going through this. If you want to see history of all levels related to the stack, including updates and deletion, use describe stack events. What you could do is events, and we could use this. Okay, describe stack events, and we'll see all the events that happen. So it updated. To delete the stack, use delete stack command. What you could do is AWS CloudFormation delete stack name, and if you go to our CloudFormation and see, the stack no longer exists. Delete complete. Congrats! You learned how to create, update, check the status, and delete a CloudFormation stack using a AWS CLI. The AWS CLI provides a powerful way to manage your CloudFormation stacks programmatically. If you want to explore more features and options, be sure to check out AWS CloudFormation documentation. AWS CloudFormation documentation. Happy provisioning!